So now fuselage is completed. You can see here. Okay, it's ready. Okay, so it's completed. Now we need to work on the wing. So as you can see here, wing is made out of two parts. You can see. First we need to glue these two parts together. Then need to glue together. Then on top of this, you need to add this piece. Okay, so it's not full. Here I will add another little bit. Okay, so just glue it all together. Once it is done, what you can do in the bottom, just turning like this. So yeah, so from the leading edge, maybe around 2 centimeters or 2 inches, you can add this, just make a cut here and place this one for extra strength for the wing. Okay, so I will add that. Then this wing portion will be ready. After that I will be adding the ailerons here. Okay, so then pretty much completed. Then just we need to add the electronics and it is ready for maiden flight. Okay, so I'll do this. First I'll glue all these three parts together. In the end I will add this spar in the middle. Okay, so I'll do that, then I'll be back. Okay. So now wing is ready, and you can see this is the KFM2 airfoil. So you can see here. Okay, so I just sanded this area. So now it is ready, and I also added control surfaces, ailerons. Okay, everything, measurements, everything will be there in the plan, so you can check it for the measurements in the plan. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll add all the electronics on the wing and fuselage, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'll do that, then I'll be back. Okay, now plane is ready. I added a little bit of color stickering for the look, and you can see here on the wing. So I added servos here and push rods. Okay, then on the fuse, you can see here motor mount with I'm using 1000 kV motor with 10-inch slowfly propeller, and so here I added the sticks for holding the wings. Okay, so using a rubber band I will hold both together. So, and here you can see this is for the rudder servo and this is for the elevator. Okay, so now everything is ready. Okay, so I used 1000 kV. I used 1000 kV motor with 30 amps ESC. So I'm planning to use 1300 mAh GS battery. Okay, so now it is ready, and let's go for flying, and I'll show you the flying video.